students, a very good morning to all of you. Students, this video is in continuation of your previous one, and in this video we are going to cover our second subject, which is mathematics. So you all have to bring out your maths book, which is there on screen. This is your child-centric mathematics perfection toolkit 1 of 2 joyful D. Along with this, you all have to carry a sharp pencil and eraser with you. So I'm waiting for you all. Till then, you have to be ready with your book as well as a sharp pencil. Then we will continue with our today work. Okay, students, I hope so that now you all are ready. Let's open your book. You all have to come on page number 6565 from your book. Kindly open page number 6565. Yes. So students, as you know that we nowadays we are doing the place values, right? So today I'll introduce you a new worksheet related to the same concept, place value, right? You all have to take an initiative to do that activity by on, okay, without any help. So students, this is your page number 6565. It will look like this. So you also have to open your page number 6565 from your book. I'm waiting for you all. If you want to cross check it, so you have to come down and see the number mentioned below. Hurry up, open this page. Okay, so students, today we have to do this worksheet, right? Here we will learn the same concept of place value with a new worksheet. Okay, we also have to do this written task as well as I'll introduce you an activity that is just a simple activity which you can do it with the resources, right? Resources, what resources you have to take for doing this worksheet? You can take beans, right? Any kind of beans it will be. Maybe chickpeas you can take or the kidney beans. Another thing which you can take is buttons or the beads. Okay, whatever is there with you, you can take that and conduct that activity. So now I am introducing this activity to you, so you have to listen it very carefully. Okay, students, before that, one thing you have to do is you have to write the date on top, right? Please mention the date over here. Circle the date, whatever the date today, you are going to circle it first, then go outside, check today weather and circle the clip art. Fine, kindly do this task and then we will start with the activity first and then we will do the written part. Hurry up, do it fast. This is a very simple activity. You can do it at your home with different quantities. Okay. So let's start now. So this is the teacher and parents transactional process. Here I will introduce you an activity. So you have to listen it carefully, and parents, it's a request that you all have to help our kids while doing this activity. So let's start now. So give 30 beans and 3 empty bowls. First of all, what you have to do, you have to give 30 beans to our kids with an empty bowl. How many empty bowls you have to give? 3 empty bowls, right? You can also take the disposable cups. इसमें आप टी वगैरह सर्व करते हो, you can take that disposable cup at the place of empty bowls, right? So two things require: beans, that should be 30 in numbers, and 3 empty bowls. You can also change the numbers. Then you have to give that to our kids. Let each child count 10 beans. So then when you are giving them 30 beans, then they will count 10 beans and place them in a bowl, in an empty bowl. So they will count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they will add 10 beans in a empty bowl and call it as 110, right? This bowl or this disposable will give them 10 beans, and when there is 10 beans, so they will say it as 110, right? Now call out aloud numbers such as 1, 3, 30. We will say 30. So student, let each child place 3 beans in the second bowl with ones to show 10 plus 3 13. So how they will say 110 3 ones. It's 1 3 13. You have to repeat that activity with different numbers. Suppose you are giving them 1 5 15. So student will add 10 beans in one bowl, and then he or she will use 5 loose beans and add in the second bowl. So then you have to ask others that how you will spell this. So they will say 110 5 ones. Okay, so let's take an example. Suppose this is my empty bowl, right? I am having two empty bowls, right? So I am saying the number is 1. Okay, it's 1 8 18. So here in this bowl I am having 30 beans. How many beans I am having? I am having 30 beans, right? 1 2 3. I'm not counting. Suppose there are 30 beans in this bowl. So what I will do, I will pick one beans and add into the empty bowl, right? So here I am taking beans and count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So my number is 1, 8, 18. So in this bowl I am having 1, 10. How much I am having? 1, 10. How much I need? If there I am having 10, so I'll need how many beans? 8 loose beans. So I will add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here I am having 8 ones. 8 ones. Ones will replace with your letter O. Okay. So there I am having 110, 8 ones. So when both of it combine, it will give you number 1818. Right, students? So parents, you have to help our kids while doing this activity at home. You can do this activity with simple resources like beans, kidney beans, buttons, beads, whatever is there with you. So please do this task at your home, perform it carefully, and then share the pictures with me related to the activity, and then we will start with the written portion. Okay, but activity is must, it is mandatory for all. Okay, you definitely have to conduct this activity at your home. Fine, students? Alright, let me erase it. So students, one thing you have to keep it in your mind that when there are 10 objects, so it will equal to 110, right? So 10 groups of 10 objects is coming in one group, and what we call that group, we call it as 110. All right, so that's all you have to keep it in your mind. Now come on top, let's start. So before starting, there is a conversation. Let's read it and then we will start. Okay, Tina is saying, I will get beans and use them to count. So Tina क्या कर रही है? Tina के पास beans हैं and she is using them to count. Tony said, great. Right? Tina said, here are your beans. Tina also gives some beans to Tony. So Tony said, let us start. We will play with the beans and come to know about place value more. So let's start, students. We also have to learn it, right? So students, the very first one is already done. We have to do the rest one. So students, here are beans given to you. You have to count it and write it in the place value. So the very first one is done. See, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are 10 beans, and if there is 10 objects, if it is beans or it's chickpeas, nothing matter. If there are 10 objects, so it comes in one group. Which group? 110. We call it as 110. And how many ones are there? There are only one. Right? So it's 1, 1, 11. You just have to trace it. Let's start with the next part. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So see, this is one group, that means 1, 10. And how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 1, 6, 16. How we have to spell it? We will say 1, 10, 6 ones. Okay, in this way you have to do. Now here also there is only one 10, so we will write over here 1, and how many ones? 1, 2. There are two ones, so we will write 2. So it's number 1 to 12, and how you will spell it? 1, 10, 2 ones. Okay, again, if you see over here, there is only one group of 10, so that means at 10's place there is 1. And here there are how many beans? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 7 ones. 1, 10, 7 ones. Number is 1, 7, 17. Okay, come down students. Let's count it. Yes, over here. So now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 beans. That means 1, 10. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 3, 13. Alright? Okay, again here. Here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again 1, 10. And let's count how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 ones. Okay. So students, if suppose there are 8 ones. If there are 2 more, so it will give you one more 10. Okay, so वो कितने tens हो जाएंगे? 2 tens. One 10 this and one this. So it will become 2 10. 2 0 20. The next is, see here also again 1 10, and how many ones? 4 ones. So we will write 4 over here. The next is again 1 10, and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 1 9, 19. 1 9, 19. Clear? Come on the next part, students. Yes, over here. So we will see how many tens are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are total 1, 10. And here there are 5 beans. So it's 1, 5, 15. And how you will spell? You will say 1, 10, 5 ones. Okay. Now this is something new. You have to tell me. So students, if we will see over here that how many tens are there, let's count. This is the first group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there is 1 10. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is also 1 10, and this one is also 1 10. So 1 plus 1, it's 2 tens, right? So we will write 2 over here. And how many ones are there? There are 0 ones, no ones. So we will put 0 in the ones place. So 2 0 20, because there are 2 tens, है ना? आपके ग्रुप है यहाँ पे, एक 1 10 का अलग ग्रुप है, 1 10 का अलग है. तो 1 1 10 मिलके कितने हो गए? When you add both them, so it will give you 2, right? So in this way, you all have to complete this worksheet, students. That's all about your today's session. In this session, we will revise the concept of place value with the help of an activity, and we also do the written task. So students, both are important to you. So you all have to cover both the tasks. Firstly, do with the activity, use beans, buttons, whatever is there with you, and then do the written part. Okay, so that's it. If there is any doubt, so please ask me. So have a good day. God bless you.